Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. This is Jack and it has been 2 years since I last posted a video on this channel. Basically, the whole idea of this video is to tell you guys that I'm still breathing, I'm still alive, I'm feeling refreshed, and I'm coming back. There are actually a couple of things that I would like to share with you all, which includes the reasons why I started making videos 2 years ago, what I've been doing for the past 2 years, and of course what will be the content of this channel in the future. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, now there are basically two main reasons why I started making video 2 years ago. One of the reasons was because I wasn't an expert in Android development. If you take a look at my channel, most of the contents that I've posted previously were about Android development. And that's because I was learning about Android development and documenting in the form of a video at the same time, so that I could perhaps help the others while I'm learning as well. However, the problem has arisen when people started to ask me questions that I just couldn't answer, which is why I've made up my mind to fully focus on learning first upon making tutorial videos. The other reason why I stopped making videos was because of money. I hate to say this, but money was really a big issue for me 2 years ago. I had no choice but to give up on YouTube and focus entirely on my full-time job as well as freelance projects just so I could make more money. Fortunately, after changing a couple of jobs, I finally managed to earn enough for a living, which is also why I came back to YouTube to pursue my passion. Over the past 2 years, me and my partner Vincent have been doing quite a number of things together. We have learned about iOS development and built 2 iOS apps from scratch, namely AnySound and AnyCard, which are available for free on the Apple App Store. In addition to that, we have also learned quite a handful of technology stacks along the way, which includes React Native, React.js, Laravel, .NET, as well as Python. With these set of skills, we have managed to secure a decent full-time job and also to work on numerous freelance projects for our clients. Last but not least, we have also started writing and publishing programming related articles on Medium as well. Alright, now let's talk a little bit about the content of this channel in the future. Rest assured that most of the contents of this channel are still meant for programmers. To be more specific, I will mostly be making 2 types of videos, which are self-enrichment video for programmers as well as programming tutorial videos. Other than that, I would also consider to add in a couple of lifestyle content that could be beneficial to all of us, such as simple workout routine or quick and easy healthy meal preparation in the future. However, please do take note that I won't be able to commit to a timeline at this point in time, as my schedule is still quite packed with work, but I will certainly work on the new content whenever I'm able to. Alright, before I conclude this video, I would like to say thank you to all of you for being around even though I haven't posted any video for a long time. I remember when I started making video 2 years ago, I only had 200 subscribers, but today I have more than 1.3k subscribers, and that wouldn't be possible without the love and support from each and every one of you. Other than that, I've also received numerous positive and supportive comments over the years, and these comments really did motivate me a lot. Once again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy coding. Peace.